In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Chrome/Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 11s. To begin, open either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, click into any text field or text box where you want your words to appear. The important thing is to make sure your cursor is active in that box before you start speaking, because that is where the transcribed text will be inserted. Next, press the Windows key and the H key on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the built-in voice typing tool in Windows. When it appears, you will see a small voice typing toolbar on your screen. This toolbar lets you know that Windows is ready to listen. Now begin speaking clearly and at a natural pace. As you talk, your voice will be instantly transcribed into the text box you selected. Try to speak in a steady, clear voice for the best results. Let's go. If the text is not appearing where you expect, check that the correct text field is still selected. It also helps to reduce background noise and speak directly toward your microphone. And that is all there is to it.